morning. So day 3 of the shed build. Some just last things to do. This corner trim needs to be cut, measured, cut, placed on here and painted green for starters. So the potting shed is finished. I'm going to give a brief review of the build now. It's okay. I quite like it actually. It's a good quality. It's a good quality shed. Delivery was good. The chap who delivered it was very friendly. He was accommodating as he could. I know I had to bring him from the bottom of my lane, but he did try to get his van up the lane. There was no missing parts. Nothing was damaged. Everything was here. Assembly, it was pretty simple. If you follow the instructions that are online, they also, you can scan these codes on the back of the welcome box, and it'll take you to those videos. It was pretty simple to fit together. It wasn't nothing too complicated, easy for beginners and people with no experience, which was me. The hardest bit was moving stuff around on your own. I wouldn't recommend doing that, but I've shown you it's possible to actually put this together as a one-man job, just about. Okay, and build quality is very solid. I love these huge windows. They're going to be great for growing stuff, potting stuff on. And really, hopefully, this is going to be a great build to kickstart my my very small urban garden smallholding. Yes, I'm going to be trying to grow as much food as I can from in here. Any negatives? Yes, the negatives. It's really warm in here, and this is towards the end of February right now. Actually, it's the 1st of March, and it's quite warm, even though it says it's 8 degrees outside. It could have done with, and I think you can buy a window to go on here when you buy it. You can order it with a window here. It needs airflow. I may have to fit something in here, so we'll get through this because it's incredibly warm now, and in the height of summer, it's going to be unbearable. Apart from that, it's really good. Really good quality. The door hinges, all the metal work is very good. Everything fits together quite well. I highly recommend Tiger Sheds. Tiger Sheds, that's what this is. This symbol is Tiger Sheds. I highly recommend if you want a shed that is not too expensive and fairly easy to build. I do recommend it. I will give you maybe a review later on after I've used it for 6 months or so. Tell you how it's holding up. But once it's painted, as you can see, it looks fantastic. Yeah. So let me know what you think. Have I helped you at all? Have I helped you decide what to buy as a shed? Have I helped you to build your shed? Please leave some comments, like and subscribe, because I only have a couple of subscribers. So more would be good, and obviously likes are good for my video. And so see what I do with potting shed in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.